guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of ants. Number 1. Chalk. One of the home remedies to get rid of ants is to use chalk. Chalk contains calcium carbonate which help in keeping ants away. Spray some powder chalk in the area that are entry points of ants or draw a line of chalk at the entrance in order to keep ants off your house. Draw chalk line too so that these bugs don't enter. While not clear as to why this line spots the ants from coming inside, but it is surely effective. Make sure you make the line in a way that is out of reach of any child in the house. Number 2. Lemons. Squeeze a lemon or place lemon peels in place from where the ants enter. You can also wash your floors with water that has a little lemon juice added to it. Ants apparently don't like the smell of lemon juice, so they will keep away anything sour. So the bitter may keep the ants away, but any sugar ants best friend. So ensure you do not keep anything sweet that may attract the ants in some way of the others. Keep your kitchen slab absolutely clean and place the pills right there. Number 3. Orange. Oranges are same as lemons. They keep the ants away from visiting your house. Make a paste of 1 cup warm water and a few orange peels, which will help in getting rid of ants. Spread this paste around entry points of ants and wipe it afterward. You can also place orange peels on the kitchen slab or wherever you think these ants may enter from. It acts as natural deterrent for ants. They may to only keep them but also keep them away. So bring the orange rides to some use and cause ensure no ants visit your house anymore. Number 4. Pepper. Ants are pretty fond of sugar but they hate peppers. Sprinkle pepper at the areas from where ants enter your house. This will help getting rid of ants. Cayenne pepper or black pepper are hated by ants. You can also make a solution of peppers and water and spray it near the entrance areas. The pepper would not kill the ants but definitely deter them returning to your house. Make sure you clean the area where you want to spray the pepper solution. Number 5. Salt. Spreading salt near nooks and corners from where ants enter the house will help keeping ants away. Salt is one of the best and the cheapest ways to get rid of ants naturally. Use ordinary table salt, not help boasting rock salt. All you need to do is to boil water and add a large amount of salt. So stirring it until dissolves. Pour into a spray bottle and spray where you think ants tend to enter from.